So, if x of n is 0 for n less than 0, then limit z tending to infinity x of z is indeed x of 0. Now, our discussion on z taking on the value infinity should make sense now. So, when we really say z tending to infinity, it does not make sense to talk about the angle, right. So, this is x of 0, x of 1, z to the minus 1 and so on. And now, if you take the only term that will survive is x of 0, because these terms will all vanish when you put z equal to infinity. Similarly, if x of n is 0 for n less than 1, then limit z tending to infinity of z times x of z is x of 1. Again, this is very easy to see, because x of z after all is x of 1 z to the minus 1, x of 2 z to the minus 2 and so on, because x of n is 0 for n less than 1. Therefore, z times x of z is this, and then you use the result that is similar to the previous one, therefore, is x of 1. Intuitively also this makes sense, because z times x of z is shifting the sequence by one sample to the left. If you multiply the z transform by z, you are replacing n by n plus 1. Therefore, the sequence which was 0 for n less than 1, right, z times x of z corresponds to the sequence shifted by one sample to the left, and then you are using the previous result. That is all, as simple as that.